Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on iPad Pro 11 M5. Let's begin. First of all, the very and probably the easiest way to fix that issue is to make sure that you have no Bluetooth devices connected. As you could see, I was connected to my headphones here, and the moment I open them, even by accident, I should connect one more time to them. And because of how they work, I will automatically play the audio through the earbuds, not through my speakers, essentially giving me the illusion that my speakers on my tablet, on my iPad, are essentially useless, which is obviously a shame. So let's go into our control center, let's go into our Bluetooth, and let's just disable the Bluetooth. And now we have 100% certainty that our audio isn't rerouted. Technically, we could also go into the settings and then just check the settings for our sounds. But as you can see, there isn't unfortunately a speaker and a slider for call volume, so there isn't like a way for you to fix that specifically. And also there is nothing to be found in the Do Not Disturb mode, because I believe that even if you have this mode set up, you will hear no ringtone, but you can still hear people calling you. So just making sure that your Bluetooth is disabled is probably enough to make no sound during calls issue just go away. Also, very important theory, by default, if we are changing the volume buttons, which is right here, we can see that they are changing like this. And it's very important to note that when you are on a call with somebody, whenever you click these volume buttons, you are going to change the call volume. So if you want to make sure that you are listening to somebody, you want to call somebody, or like it doesn't really matter who, just call whoever, and then make sure to bump up that volume up button to make sure that you have your sound playing. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.